Hello, people. Hello, my brother, people. My name Athena.
Hello, my healthy mothers. It's a Mother's Day. So today, we're gonna give mamas a break. I'm taking kids to the kitchen. Do you wanna cook for mama today? The best way to keep your kids occupied, to make them involved in what you are doing. Cooking with kids is not an easy task, so make sure you are well prepared. Cut all your vegetables in advance, make all your sauces, and marinate all the meats. Do you like tacos? Mama likes tacos too. I chose to make tacos because it's a great way to introduce all kinds of ingredients to the kids. There's many colors, textures, and flavors. And Athena will be a judge today. Would you like to try some ingredients? Say yay!
Yay! Nana! Yummy!
What is it?
Pepper! Yummy! Yay! Hurry! Lime.
Onion.
Onion. Parsley.
Spicy. It's nice.
Beet. Mama. Beet. Yummy. I like tacos.
Cooking should never be a chore. The more you do it, the more confident you will get. The more confident you are, the more fun you have. The beauty of the tacos is that you can put in that shell almost everything and they will look so colorful and taste so great.
So we have our lettuce shredded, our shrimps are marinated, yes? Our peppers are cut, onions are cut, salsa is ready. All we gotta do is start assembling. Alright. Okay.
The secret to the perfect shrimps is a very hot pan and short time. You want to give them enough color outside before they will cook through. Cast iron pan will be great for that. Once they have nice color, flip them over. And I decide to add some bell peppers and red onions for extra flavor and a body. Don't forget to kiss your daughter and remove her from the counter. Now give it a few more seconds. Toss it. And voila!
Yummy.
All our ingredients are ready. Time to assemble our tacos. Get out of the box, Mina. It's time to build the tacos.
You put this on, and then the lettuce, and then after that put shrimps, and then you're gonna put tontons on it. Alright?
Spread it around. Spread it. Excellent. Oh, now Tata gonna put few hot shrimps. Put it here, put on top. One, put the red one too.
Two, one more. Three, nice.
Sprinkle over on top. Oh, okay, nice. Oh.
Looks delicious. She must be my daughter.
Okay, now it's my turn. For a base, I have my shredded romaine, julienne, red beets, carrots, and radicchio. I use some island spices on my shrimp, aka Jamaica, Heirloom cherry tomato salsa, and topped with a lime avocado cream. For recipes, look below. Of course, let's not forget about fresh cilantro.
Bring your tacos. Don't drop it.
Hi. Oh my gosh, is this for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Did you make it?
Yeah.
Taco is my favorite. Can I have a kiss? I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Lime.
Do you want to eat some tacos?
Oh.
Da 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 da.
He likes lime just like Athena.
A little sour. That sour face.
And you have a mama and a tata?
Yeah.
What's tata's name?
Ni hao.
What's mama's name?
Alain.
What's your brother's name?
Matli Moise.
What's your name?